And now it's time to paint our woodworking project. And for that, I want to introduce you to a brand new tool from Tilswall. The Tilswall Hornet cordless paint sprayer. I always appreciate tools that not only get the job done, but also make the entire process more enjoyable. And that's exactly what this paint sprayer does. The first thing I noticed is how incredibly lightweight it is. At only about 450 grams, it's comfortable to hold, and even during longer painting sessions, your hand and wrist don't get tired. Another big advantage is that it's completely cordless. There's no need to deal with power cords or air hoses. Just insert the battery, and you're ready to work wherever you need. As someone who spends a lot of time building different woodworking projects, I really appreciate that kind of freedom and mobility. What also impressed me is how evenly it applies the paint. The fine spray pattern creates a smooth, professional-looking finish without excessive drips or uneven coverage. That's exactly the kind of result you want when you're putting the finishing touches on a project you've spent hours building. One feature that really stands out is the peelable paint technology. If you ever want to change the color or simply experiment with a different look, the coating can be peeled off without sanding the entire surface. It's a great option for creative projects, prototypes, or anyone who likes trying new ideas. Overall, the Tilswall Hornet cordless paint sprayer has left a really positive impression on me. It's lightweight, easy to use, completely cordless, and delivers excellent results with very little effort. If you'd like to learn more or get one for your own workshop, be sure to check the link in the video description. I've also included a discount code there, so you can save some money on your purchase. Now let's finish painting this project and see how it looks with the final coat applied. And here's the final result. The paint went on very evenly and smoothly, with no noticeable runs, leaving a clean and consistent finish. I'm really happy with how the Tilswall Hornet performed on this project. If you like the result, you can find the link to the sprayer in the video description.